bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Ada di Jakarta namanya.
I got time. It's clear to see.
Bunga gitu kan.
From up here, the world seems small.
Insya Allah
We can sit
dengan restu ayah sama ibu
together.
terima lamaran
It's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be